Our journey into premium extraction begins here, amidst vast, sun-drenched groves of distinct palm varieties. These trees are cultivated for decades, producing the nutrient-rich fruit essential for high-grade oil.
Harvesting is timed perfectly, ensuring every coconut reaches optimal maturity before processing begins. Gentle collection methods prevent bruising, preserving the delicate meat inside the hard exterior shell. Field inspectors select only the finest specimens, filtering out any fruit that fails standards.
Traceability starts immediately, with every batch logged and categorized before leaving the plantation.
Transport fleets operate on strict schedules to minimize the time between harvest and processing.
Upon arrival, the raw material enters a facility designed for hygiene and maximum efficiency. The intake process handles tons of fruit hourly, feeding the continuous production line seamlessly. Conveyors transport the load to the preparation zones, maintaining a steady, rhythmic workflow.
High-pressure washing removes field debris, ensuring a sanitary start to the extraction process.
Automated de-husking units strip away the fibrous outer layer with remarkable speed and accuracy. Precision blades separate the husk without cracking the shell, protecting the sterile water inside.
Byproducts are immediately diverted for recycling, ensuring a zero-waste manufacturing philosophy.
Next, the hard shell is fractured and removed, revealing the pristine white meat within. The nutrient-rich water is captured separately, while the meat proceeds to the paring line.
Technicians perform a visual inspection, manually rejecting any pieces that show signs of spoilage.
Paring machines gently shave off the brown testa, leaving only the pure white kernel.
Grinding transforms the kernels into fine flakes, maximizing surface area for efficient oil release.
The flakes enter a controlled drying tunnel, where moisture is reduced to precise levels. Gentle airflow removes water content without cooking the meat, preserving the raw nutrients. Sensors confirm the moisture content is optimal, signaling readiness for the extraction phase. We now enter the press room, where cold extraction technology takes center stage. The desiccated flakes are fed into cold presses, which operate at low temperatures. Immense mechanical pressure squeezes the oil out, avoiding the use of chemical solvents.
The resulting liquid is a crude oil, rich in aroma but still containing fine particulate matter.
The dry byproduct, or cake, is ejected separately, often repurposed for livestock feed. The crude oil is pumped into settling tanks, allowing heavier sediments to fall to the bottom naturally. High-speed centrifuges then apply thousands of Gs to separate remaining impurities from the oil. This mechanical separation purifies the oil essentially by weight, polishing it to a clear state. Multi-stage filtration units remove the final microscopic particles, ensuring absolute clarity.
Passing through the sight glass, the oil is now visibly pristine and ready for quality checks.
Automated transport units move the finished batches to storage, minimizing human handling.
Storage tanks are temperature-controlled to keep the oil in a liquid state prior to packaging.
In the lab, samples undergo rigorous analysis to verify fatty acid profiles and purity levels.
Digital analysis confirms that free fatty acid levels are low, a marker of premium quality.
Microbial testing ensures the product is sterile and safe for both culinary and cosmetic use.
Sensory experts also evaluate the aroma,
ensuring it retains a fresh, mild coconut scent.
Approved batches are released to the filling line, where the packaging process begins. Containers are air rinsed to remove any environmental dust before filling. Volumetric fillers dispense the exact amount of oil into each jar with zero waste.
Capping stations apply hermetic seals immediately to lock in freshness and prevent oxidation.
High-speed labelers apply branding and nutritional information with millimeter precision.
Laser coating etches production data onto every unit, guaranteeing complete traceability.
The jars pass through a cooling tunnel to stabilize the temperature before final packing. Robotic case packers load the jars into boxes, handling the heavy lifting with ease. Cartons are sealed and reinforced, ready for the rigors of global distribution. At the line's end, palletizers stack the cartons, building stable loads for the warehouse.
Stretch wrappers secure the pallet, protecting the cargo from shifting during transit.
Our warehouse acts as the logistical hub, managing inventory for markets worldwide. Digital inventory systems track every pallet, ensuring first in, first out rotation.
Precision drivers navigate the vertical storage, maximizing every cubic meter of space.
At the loading bays, the finished product begins its final journey to retailers.
Security seals are applied to the trucks, guaranteeing the chain of custody remains broken.
From a tropical palm to a sealed jar, the journey is one of precision, purity, and engineering.
Advanced technology transforms a simple nut, harnessing immense pressure.
To produce a liquid of exceptional clarity and utility. It is a staple found in kitchens and cosmetic bags across the globe.
This facility stands as a testament to modern food engineering. A process that respects the source while perfecting the outcome.
Thank you for joining us on this tour of the production line.